it's launched last year, and it's complete rewrite of the previous Flash version. This is now HTML, jQuery, and it's completely responsive, and it's not easy, but if you want, you could design even on your tablet or mobile phone a t-shirt or any other product. This is the Drupal 8 site. It's not, the site is live, but the store version is not. It will be live in, it says always in 2 months, but I says it for 3 or 4 months till now, so I don't know. I hope this year we will launch it. This is the pool pizza where it's do not like standard Drupal 8 or Drupal Commerce site. So okay, go to some interesting things and how we made it, or how we solved the store navigation. We do not found a good solution when it's navigation with child elements, and the client wants navigation from the side, or even a mega menu navigation, and the client needs facets and a good search. So there is no out-of-the-box solutions. So our solution is that we made a module. Even we have it for Drupal 7, but it's again not published. But for Drupal 8, we already made the hierarchical taxonomy menu module. So basically, the most sites has a navigation. This is taxonomy, and this module creates a link, creates a block with the navigation menu, and in this module we will improve it constantly. But we have options if it's jQuery to click and open, or some clients want to click on every child element because they have a different approach. So we need this module to have a block for navigation, and we combined with search API, with facet API and views to make the complete navigation to category pages, the search, the filtration for the stores. Commerce variation add to cart. This is the new module for Drupal 8, for Drupal Commerce. This is on Drupal.org. We have a solution, we have a problem that we need to solve. This is, for example, when you want to order a pizza and you have 3 sizes, then it's not user-friendly to from the drop-down to select the size. So we suggested to customer to have list all the sizes, all the prices, and have a button to add it to cart. This is the rough example, but if I go back, this is the module. What after a little front-end correction, you have your product and your variations, and if you click on the little plus sign, the variation will be at your cart. Commerce shopping hours. It is also for Drupal 8. We have, after the next this kind of thing, we not hard coded the block or block the ordering process. So we made a module. This is a very simple module. You have, when it's food ordering and they do not want to receive scheduled orders. When the customer orders, then they are processing it. So they just want to accept orders when the kitchen is working or when the delivery is working. So it's pretty simple module. You have to set up the time for every day and the message if you could set up a message and not style it to show to the customers if they cannot order anything. Commerce price updater, again a little thing, but what we found that we need a quick and easy solution for customers, because almost every of our customers have kind of internal programs, so for accounting, for bills, or they have some inventory program, and most of sometimes they have integrations, and we could manage through some web services or through some automated processes, but sometimes that it's an old program, unfortunately, and they have just CSV export or Excel export, and this is what is useful for them to have an easy updater. They could use a separator, so they do not need to convert their CSV file if it's a bit column or semicolon or even with that. Commerce fast import. This is not a project, you won't find it anywhere, but we tried to implement something what is really easy for customers to upload products. So if you have experience with Drupal Commerce and when you need to describe or to teach your customers how to make a product, and then you start to tell what is product display, what is product, or what is variation, and what is the difference and why we need it. Some of them knows, and it's not problem for understanding them. But if this is little company and not a too big e-commerce store, and they have some products but do not need attributes or multiple variations in product display, then we try to make them something really fast. So there is two steps. One is a drag and drop field. When you prepare your images, you just drag and drop on the first screen. It automatically uploads all the images. When all the images are uploaded, click to next, and you got the next screen. When you have all the images, you can add title, a manufacturer, a catalog. This is the description, price, and the SKU. And it works. When the client feels filling every detail, then just click on the finish button and all the products will be created. So they do not need to think about or do not need to know anything about product displays, variations. It not works on every site, on every client. Probably big clients know what are they doing and how to do, but if you have some not so technical education client, then I think it's not a bad thing. And maybe if we have time and opportunity, we will make for Drupal 8 too. Okay, some other examples or ideas what we did. SIP or VOIP integration. We have SIP trunking, this digital lines, which goes to server with prefix and asterisk, and go to every computer, and we have VOIP lines. And we have an idea, what if we make an app, if somebody calling the support of the store, we write a script, try to identify the number in our database, and when the super person, before he we pick up the phone. If there is a match in database with the phone, we got all the info what's happening with this order. And this is exactly the case. Already know all the how many orders they have, what's the total amount what they left to us, when, what was the comment, what is the status of the current order, or what is the history of this user. And sometimes it's really hard because on the moment you know what you will expect to got, what questions you will expect to got from the client. CRM integrations, it's quite popular. I think every big and small also e-commerce stores who are thinking that they want to rise their income need to use some CRM, some sort of CRM. We integrated MiniCRM. The code is again not published, but they have a new API, and we want to make it for Drupal 8. Then we will publish. MiniCRM is a really simple, not so heavy CRM, but it's very cool for e-commerce store. You can make your funnel. This is the funnel for a total bike store. We use it. So in every step there is a synchronization between MiniCRM and the store. So we have just the newsletter subscribers. Then if the user is registering, then we put registered. We try to track somehow abandoned cart. It's possible just if they leave us any information. And after when we want, we try to separate the phone customers because we still have a lot of phone customers. Do not know how to use mails and digital stuff, but they are ordering, and we make some category one-time returning and with customers, and also documenting how we lost. So everything is synced, and we do not need to do anything by hand or manually. So it's all doing automatically, and after the marketer team could get information from here, send newsletters, messages. Other integration in Serbia we made with Serbian shipping companies. In Serbia we do not have these international shipping companies, or we have, but they are very expensive. We have Bex and Daily Express. These are Serbian shipping companies. We made integrations. The Daily Express will be published for Drupal 7, maybe Bex 2, and we have planned to go to Drupal 8, but we are waiting a little to stabilize the shipping things in Drupal Commerce. We have also some Serbia and Hungary specific payment gateway integration. We need this SVG formatter because often we use beside categories some icon to identify it or design what is the intercategory, and we don't have a solution in Drupal 8 for any kind of SVG image formatter, so we made an SVG formatter. It's published, and lately what we are working on Facebook Pixel and Facebook catalog modules, who are working with marketing agency alongside they need it. This is now for, I'm not sure, I think it's Drupal 7. It's online. Facebook catalog will be online soon. We are testing it and finalizing, but we have planned to have them to Drupal 8 also. So thank you. common things, like the common things are known by you if you are a developer. This is some kind of tricks and small modules that you use to have a better user or customer experience. So thank you. If you have questions. Okay, the good question I need to repeat. When we started to work in Drupal 8, last year, about this time, and we have a lot of problems and uncompleted things, but now we see that now it's doable. We think that it's almost ready to switch, and because we want to contrib and add some feedback or make some module what is missing, and then we all agreed in the company that we will switch, and from now we will work on Drupal 8. Now we are making some integration with Microsoft C5 CRM, and I don't know good the C5 system, but what? my colleague is the one who is trying to get from the database the things, and the client need to push back in C5 all the information, so they do not want to use completely any website management for orders. So it will be tricky, but we will try to finish that module that have some basic connection to C5 to sync the products and the stock and the price for in the first step, and I hope that we will publish it. It's database. No, it's database. We It's a Danish shop too. Maybe we're working on the same.
The customer which have C5, they most likely want to do everything in C5. So basically, they have one tool. So on this project also, all orders and everything, you just send to someone each time. The order is made and everything, and they in C5, for example, I don't know, mark something that's sold, shipped, and that you pull it back. So
the same story with this client. I don't know for web services because they said that they want to change, but now they can't change because they are deeply integrated in C5. But now we just need to solve somehow in the next couple of years. They are willing to make a new system for internal processes because it's too heavy for them.
But C5 has inbuilt service, so self-service. It's not so great, but it's, I would say, workable. So that you can get it's XML software and service. But the client is Danish, while C5 is still popular inside Danish market. This is a very specific part of Microsoft, which is not widespread, like, for example, Denmark.
Yes?
Do you practice Drupal Commerce and Google Analytics integration?
Drupal Commerce and Analytics. Google. Yes, we have, and we use it, and I don't. So we.
I know there's some problem with Drupal 7 and Google Commerce.
It was back a while ago, but now there is no problem. It's reporting good. Also, we've done some integration with SAP. It's again tricky, but for that we always have some developer from them, and we are making web services or XML. So, but the good thing when the client asks us why Drupal Commerce, why not Magento or PrestaShop or any other platform, that one thing that we are Drupal development agency and we want to work with Drupal and to develop in Drupal. But the other thing, I think every platform is good if you know how to use it. But in Drupal, you could almost do anything what the client asks. But in other system, maybe you have some points when you need to say, okay, it's not completable. Okay, thank you very much.